Hey everybody, Crystal here, SoCal Flip Girl, and I just wanted to take you on a quick tour of my newest acquisition here on 45th Street. This is currently a two bedroom, two bath. It's a duplex, so there's a small 1 bedroom, 1 bath unit in the back. So I just want to take you on a quick before tour and walk you through what my plans are for this house. So you enter into the nice large sort of living room, dining room area combined. It has a fireplace. Right now my plans are to get rid of the fireplace, and you can kind of see the kitchen in the back right there to make it kind of like an open concept, so it's all one big great room. To the left right here, we have our first bedroom. And this is a Jack and Jill bathroom between the first and second bedrooms. So, of course, all new tile. I think I'm going to leave the configuration the same, but all new tile, paint, all of that. In the bedrooms, again, I'm not sure if I'm going to do carpet or laminate. So this is the second bedroom. It's a door from the living room. This bedroom has a closet and another closet right here. My plans are to wall off this closet and make it a part of this room in the back so that this can be considered a third bedroom. So right now this is not a bedroom right here because it doesn't have a closet, and I could show you. See, there's no closet in this bedroom, so the closet that's on the other side of this wall will now become a part of this room to be the bedroom. All this wood paneling that's going to come out, be all new drywall. Off this room, you enter the laundry room, as well as the, I guess this is like the porch area. And then there's also a little half bath right here. So my plans are to sort of extend this bathroom, have it to come out a little bit, probably right to where this cabinet is. Hopefully that would make room for like a shower, and then there would be access to this bathroom kind of like where this wall is, separating this bathroom and the bedroom on the other side. So it would kind of be like a master. And then off the porch, I forgot to show you guys the kitchen. So here's the kitchen right here. All new cabinets, all new flooring. Here's the living room, dining room from a different angle. So you could kind of see that fireplace is going to be torn down and make this one big great room. I'm not sure if I'm going to do like an island or like a pony wall with like cabinets on the other side. I'm not sure. So let's go to the back and you could see the second unit. So this property has a really nice backyard. I don't really plan on doing any landscaping at all. The owners maintained it nicely, so I'm just going to keep that as is. It also has a nice little shed to the left right here. This is the second unit. This unit is going to be completely gutted. The smell in here is not that pleasant, so I'm going to completely take out all the drywall, put new drywall in, new carpet, paint. So here's like the living room area. One thing I don't like about this unit is that here's the bathroom right here. Kind of see on the inside. One thing I don't like about this unit is that you have to walk through this bedroom right here to get to your kitchen area. So I plan on switching the two so that the kitchen and the bathroom will be switched around. So again, new drywall and stuff like that to help get rid of the smell, as well as this wood paneling. So that's that. I'll probably take you guys on another tour when we're midway through the project, and of course I'll take you on a final tour of the project. Alrighty, see you later.